can hang.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cora's Cozy Castle, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I will be showing you guys my Christmas haul from 3 different places: Pottery Barn, Williams Sonoma, and Pop Shelf. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're new, I would love for you to join me here. I love to do cleaning, organizing, decluttering. I'm a huge Pottery Barn fan, so I love decorating. And I like to do more of a minimalistic look for my decor. So if you like any of those things, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell before you leave so that you don't miss a video from me. I'm gonna jump right into this. So the first item that I wanna share with you guys technically isn't a decor piece, I know, but these are called holiday crackers. It is more of an English tradition. As you guys know, my dad's from England, so we used to do these with his brother, my Uncle Richard. So he passed away last Christmas, or right before Christmas. And when I saw these in the store, I just kind of thought, you know what? I'm just gonna kind of get these in honor of him. They were not expensive. They were $24.50 and 30% off of that, which brought them down to $16. So I'm just gonna enjoy using these, and I think that they're super cute. So if you guys know anybody that is from England, or if you guys just want to do these for fun, they are super cool. There's like a little cracker inside. It's their beloved British party favors, and they were created in the 19th century. And when the ends are pulled, the favors break apart with a loud pop, and they release an assortment of trinkets, jokes, and paper party hats. So I think that's super cute. All right, so the next item I got were these large chunky ornaments from Pottery Barn as well. These were $19.50 and 30% off, so it brought them to about $14. So they still are quite a bit pricey, but I feel like they are extremely sturdy and heavy. So I feel like I will use them for years to come. I got 3 of the silver and I got 3 of the red. So I thought these were just absolutely gorgeous. I hope you can tell how large they are. That these little gnomes are super big this year. And like I said, if it sparks joy for me, I will purchase it and use it. This little guy was at Pottery Barn for only $14 at the outlet and 30% off. So he came out to about, let's see, $10. So he's very heavy and sturdy and can stand up on his own. And there's little things in the hats. Will say this was a bit of a splurge. I saw these sheets and I was looking at them, and then Jensen walked over and had a fit over these sheets. So these were $100 and 30% off, which still brought the sheets to about $70. No, that is a bit of a splurge, but it was well worth the purchase for me because I feel like these will just be his sheets for the next 10 years. So, because we only use them at Christmas. But I thought they were absolutely adorable. Moving on, let me jump into Williams Sonoma, since that's kind of like a parent company to Pottery Barn. I went in there because I really wanted the pot holders. I had the fall set, if you guys saw those in my home tour, but I really wanted the Christmas set because I really like the quality of the Williams Sonoma. So I walked in and these were $30, and they were also running the same sale as Pottery Barn. So these were 30% off, so they were $21. And like I said, they're just really nice quality pot holders, and I love the little traditional type print on here. So these sparked joy for me for sure. Another item in Williams Sonoma that I saw, and I was like, I have got to have these to go next to. You guys know I don't decorate in my kitchen all that much. So when I saw these as the salt and pepper shaker holders, I thought I have got to have these next to the oven when I'm cooking. They just, again, sparked joy for me. So these were $19.95. So that brought these down to $14, which I thought was well worth it. I hope you guys can see how cute these are. So adorable. And then the other thing from Williams Sonoma that I saw, I always buy the boys the advent calendars with the chocolate. Williams Sonoma has some delicious chocolate. So when I saw these and how cute the little packaging was, I was like, this is what I want to get the boys. Now, I know you can buy these for like $1, $2 at Walmart or whatever. Again, I just wanted the better tasting chocolate. So these were $19 and then 30% off. So they were about $14 a piece. But again, whoop, I'm about to lose it. Again, these are super, super cute. So I think the boys will enjoy these for Christmas. All right, moving on. I'm gonna jump right into this new store. I know you have heard me talk about this store before. I saw this store originally on a video that was done on Do It on a Dime by Catherine, but it is called Pop Shelf. I believe it is in competition with like a Five Below or some type of a Dollar Tree store, although prices run up to about $15 or $20 for an item. But I like to buy their decor to kind of go in this little china cabinet that I have in the kitchen, and I also like to buy it for my bonus room upstairs, just because the focal point's not really on that decor, and the upstairs, not many people go up there, but I still want it to feel festive. So I went in there to see what all they had, and I loved this little hot cocoa warm up here sign. I am going to do a hot cocoa bar. I think I've decided, because Asher is really big into hot chocolate. He's never been before, and he's super into it. He loves drinking it, and I thought this will be super cute to just put a little hot cocoa bar for it, not only just for him, but for everybody. But I thought this will be super cute. So this was only $4 at Pop Shelf. Again, super nice quality and very reasonably priced. These other little, let's see, this little tree right here, I thought would be super cute upstairs, just to kind of add a little festiveness, and it was $1, so that's kind of like Dollar Tree decor. I bought some of these little tea lights to go in certain places. They have white, they had gold, and I think they had silver. I like the gold for my personal decor, and they were $1 for a pack of 2, so I got 2 packs of those. And then this tree, just really, when I saw it, was like, this looks like something in Pottery Barn. And I thought, I have got to have this. They only had one, and it was $3. It's made out of wood, and it just, I like the simplicity of it. So, and I like the way that they added the little gold star at the top, and it's very rustic. So I was very happy with this little tree. And then this one I thought was super cute with the little greenery and the pine cones at the bottom, and it says Christmas on it. This one was only $3 as well, and I just love the way that it looked. It kind of reminds me of something from the Dollar Tree as well, but just super cute. Now the other one that I got, let me reach way over here, was very unique looking to me. I've never seen anything like this, and I don't actually know if I can hold it. Maybe I can set it up here for you guys. So it spells out snow, and it's on this little like jute string with the little wooden balls in between, and I thought that was absolutely adorable. They had other stuff that spelled out different things, but I thought this will actually go in and be able to stay out with my winter kind of things that I put out for winter. So this is super, super cute. I love it. I'm very happy with that purchase, and it was $4 for that. So I think that's right. Yeah, $4 for that. All right, guys, I guess that about wraps up my haul here. It was a quick one. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I would love for you to join me here on my YouTube channel, and I would like to personally thank each and every one of you for taking the time to watch my video today, and for all of your sweet comments and likes, and when you share it. That means so much to me. I never thought that I would be in the position that I am now. When I started it, I remember being so excited to reach 100 subscribers, and I can't even imagine that I'm almost at 1,000. It just kind of blows my mind. And I know that's a teeny little speck in the YouTube world, but for this stay-at-home mama, it's a big deal to me. So I appreciate that so much. And if you celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope that you have a very happy, and blessed Thanksgiving. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Much love always. Bye.